Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, I will share you fabric crafts idea. So friends, let's start today's video. Fabric crafts ideas inspired by your image fabric wallet. Like the first image created with tree using fabric, yo-yo flowers. Use patchwork background fabric stitch color for you as leaves, perfect for kids or wall decoration. Flower basket like the second image, attach fabric flower to wooden stick, place in a jar or vase. Beautiful handmade home decoration or kids ideas. Yo-yo quad blankets, join many fabric yo-yo together, bring edges to edges. Creative a texture vintage cord, thread for scarf fabrics. Use hair accessories. Turn small yo into hair clips, hairband, brooches, pins, add buttons or pearl in the center. Yo-yo patchwork bags, decorate bags or parts using fabric. Make a colorful handmade fashion items. Cushions cover decoration, changing flowers into plain cushions cover instant formal or boho style. Look seasonal decoration, make them design spring flowers, Christmas, Wat, Eid or festive wall hanging. Coaster, stitch small yo-yos together to create a soft table coaster, clothing decoration, flowers on denim jackets, kids dresses. Give a handmade designs, touch cottons, tie back. John flower into a strip and used to hold cotton and weavers. Fabric outside, fabric basket decorations in flowers from a fabric basket or storage box to make it colorful and handmade mirror or photo frame designs. Glue or stitch flowers around frames for a soft vintage look. Handmade gift stopper instead of ribbon bow. Attach fabric, flowers or gift box. Table mat, join, multiply to use together to create a round or square table mat. Violet or clutch decoration, add a few flowers on a plain clutch base for an elegant table style. Handmade style baby hairband. Attach small soft floral flowers or bands of our baby solids. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.